Hello, today we are making the first CNC design in Adobe Illustrator. First, we need dimensions of the panel. So we will click on the rectangle and click on the white blank place, left click, and now we can choose the width and the height of our panel. I will choose 1 meter and 2 meters high. So this is now our panel. If we put it on the machine, it will be like this. We can very easy to manipulate with this by holding CTRL and doing like this. I want vertical one, so I will keep like this. I will switch to outlines now also. When I click on the view and outline, only vectors will stay. I want to make something very simple, just maybe some lines, and just to see how is that going to look like. I also need a safe area here from the border. Maybe I will put maybe 60 millimeters, and that should be enough. I'll do it by choosing the option on the pad, offset pad, and I will click maybe 70 millimeters. Let's check on the view. Yeah, 70 looks nice. After that, I will put some pattern inside, some very simple lines. I'm going to draw them. I will use the empty area here, just for visibility. So I'm going to duplicate this line, but I want to keep it on the same distance. Okay. I will make it much closer, and I will do this easy manipulation. And I'm going to put it inside of the panel. I need a little bit longer lines here, so I will extend it to here. Now I'm going to delete every second line by clicking and clicking del. Okay, it's a good idea to be more zoomed. Okay, a few more. Let's check. So this is our design for now. I want to keep only the white areas inside, so I will use another Illustrator tool. I need Pathfinder for this, and when I open the Pathfinder, I need to select the areas I want to cut. So I selected this and all of them together. We can see this is not used. Like when we are going through that, we don't see the line is showing anything. So look. And I will use this tool here called divide. After that, I'll just delete extra lines I don't need. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to finalize it by cleaning the lines I don't need. Okay, once I finish now, I can export it very easily as a DXF by clicking export and export as, and here I can choose DXF. To be sure, we can check again the units and we can just click OK, and that's it. We made your first CNC design. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.